Miranda Miller, and I'm gonna race the Montana World Cup this weekend. It's been a hot minute since I've raced downhill, and I figure no better way to race the Canadian World Cup but on a Canadian bike. So here is the Forbidden Prototype downhill bike. Connor and Magnus has been riding this for maybe a year now. So this weekend I'll be racing on the medium. I've added a reach adjust to make it a little bit longer, and then I'm also running the 10 mil longer dropout. I think that gives the bike a nice balanced feel, especially for this high speed track of Montana. It's pretty high speed, pretty rough. Yeah, excited to get into it.